Okay, matchup market's quite simple. We have two identical charts, one on the right, one on the left. The idea is simply keep the one on the right at present, and we can scroll back in the past with the left and try to match up a chart pattern. People's mood similarly always happens the same, so if we can find a pattern with the same moving averages, most likely a similar pattern will occur. So as you can see here, we have a bit of a rise in price and a apex. These moving averages look the same. So what we would do, we'll scroll forward slightly, see where the price went. Looks like it goes all the way down to our 50 moving average. So we can assume the exact same thing will happen here. So now I would go onto my trading platform and put in a short. So it's been an hour later. I don't execute trades from matchup markets. You go to your own platform, but as we can see, price moved down and it hit my profit target right on the 50, exactly as it did in previous time. We can see I put my stop above about there and entry and took profit right down at the 50. So I'm just going to show you how to set up some different currency pairs and how you can put different indicators on. It's all quite simple. In the box at the top, for an example, we will put Australian dollar, US dollar. The idea is just to make sure you match up each chart identical. US dollar. Now you can see there's some indicators come up. I'm just removing the volume one here. We don't really want that. I like to use at least two moving averages, but we'll put 3 on. Click on the indicators tab and we'll search for moving average. Click it once, twice, and 3 times. That'll put 3. You'll see 3 indicators there. It's saying they're at 9 at the moment. We'll change that shortly. Indicators tab. Again, search for moving average. Click it 3 times. And now we can go in to the little settings icon in the middle there, the format, and change these accordingly. I like to use a 50, a 100, and a 200. 100. And look, you can put all different sort of indicators as long as they're identical. But I just like to use the 3 moving averages. And then make sure the other chart's identical. And the 200. Now we're all set. The chart on the right can stay the same. And we'll just slowly go back in the past. This is a 5-minute chart, by the way. 5-minute charts seem to pick up social mood, people's fear and greed and what they're doing more so than higher market. So I definitely like the 5-minute chart. Okay, and the other cool thing about matchup markets is underneath the charts we have an economic calendar. Now this is simply just great to make sure you don't enter a trade at the wrong time. If there's a news event happening right before you trade, I would suggest not take it, as its prices spike, etc. So that's about it. Thanks for your time.